Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking and showing you where the fill is for the oil. So it's located right over here. This is your oil dipstick. It says engine oil. It's very easy to read. All you're going to do is lift it up. As you're lifting, you're going to just wipe it off, okay? Because the first pull like that doesn't count for checking oil level, just so you know. I'm going to turn this so you can see it. Right down here, there's a little low dot and there's a little full dot, okay? In between here and here, it's approximately 1 quart of oil. So if you check your oil, right, it's nice and warm, you've been running it for a while, you let it sit after you turned it off for maybe a couple minutes, and it's all the way down here below this dot or even at the dot, you can add 1 quart and that'll bring it right up to the full. So keep that in mind. But generally speaking, if it's anywhere in between the full and the low, you know, it should be pretty much good to go. If it's all the way down here, that's not so good. You definitely want to add some oil, right? At least 1 quart, maybe even 1.5 quarts. If it's anywhere up here, well then you really got a problem, because oil that's too full is actually worse than oil that's low. So keep that in mind. You'll get aeration in your engine, possibly mess up your engine because of the oil pump. So now all I would do is I would just go ahead and put this in, leave it in for a second so the oil can make its way onto the dipstick. Shouldn't take very long at all, right? I'm gonna lift it back up. As you can see, the oil level's perfect. It's right up at the full line, so that's great. I'm just gonna clean it off again just because it's a good habit. I'll put it back in. Let's assume that we did have to add a little bit of oil though. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come right over here. This is your engine oil cap, okay? Generally speaking, right on the engine oil caps, the manufacturer will print what type of oil you should use. This says 520 oil. You wanna use 520, okay? Pretty easy, you can find that any place. So that being said, if you had to add, you go right there. Funnel might be helpful. So where this fluid was full, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on, turning to the right. And there it is.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.